Okay, so welcome back again, guys. So in this video I will show you a problem that happened to my laptop and I solved it. I'm using a Dell laptop. It's an Inspiron 3542. When I switch on the laptop, I'm having this beep sound. So let's hear it. Now let's hear it again. As you can hear, it's very loud, and I have lowered the volume a bit, but still it's loud. So why does it happen? Usually it happens because something might be short circuited, so that's why the laptop is warning us to switch it off to prevent any damage. Sometimes it's because of the battery, or sometimes it's because of the keyboard. Mostly it's because of the keyboard. When we carry our laptop, then due to pressure or load, the membrane of the keyboard gets short circuited and it gives such noise. But I have tested it. I have first removed the battery and tried it, but still the sound exists. And even I have removed my keyboard from the laptop and still the problem doesn't get solved. Also I have removed the DVD writer, but still it's there. So what I did is I removed the back cover and I opened my hard disk drive. The fault was due to the hard disk. I think the hard disk is damaged and it was causing the problem. So I'm replacing the hard disk with a new one. And now let's put it back together. I'm putting the battery back and let's try to switch it on. Now we can see the boot device isn't there and no beep sound is there anymore. And if I try to go to the BIOS, I also can go there, and from then I have to just reformat the hard disk and get my laptop working again like before. So that's it for this video, guys. I thought maybe someone can face this problem, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again.